Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is HUC High Universal Cut. So today this haircut is going to be on low cut taper fade. I want to give him a low cut taper fade, so he wants this hair to come down to a low cut level. So the step I used is step 1.5, 1.5 step to bring the hair down. And I want to remind you, or I want to tell you something about whenever you want to bring any hair down, no matter how rough, how bushy the hair is, don't just bring it down anyhow. Make sure you, as you are bringing it down, you are following it accordingly. You are texturing the hair. Follow it accordingly so that everything will go smoothly. So please, if today is your first time I see my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to see it. A lot of people have been telling me to make this kind of video, that kind of video. Not that I cannot do that. It's just that there is no that time for me. Do you understand? But whenever I have time, anyone that comes, I'll make sure I do the tutorial and send to you people. Do you understand? So make sure you like, comment and share. I told you guys that I came empty. I don't want to go with what I know. That's why I'm sharing all these things that I'm sharing. So we the first thing the hair down uniform is now uniform. So now you will see how I'm going to create it. Taper fade. The first thing you need to do is to put it on skin level. Join the blade together. Can you see where I created the first guideline? Make sure it's skin. So after you created that first guideline, the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. You create it. Don't let it to go too up, and make sure you are brushing it down. Don't let it to go too up. After that, you put it on what? Semi low cut. Don't close the blade finish so that you can remove the line. You know, the first guideline was skin, the second guideline was low cut level, so there must be line in between. So you put it on semi low cut to clean off the lines. Do you understand? After you clean the lines finish, then you use your word step 1.5. But since the hair now, I want to use step 1.5, which is step 1.5, to create the shape. Can you see it? I'm building the shape of the taper. Can you see it? I'm using step 1.5 to build the shape of the taper fade. Can you see it? Now, after you have done that first one finish, you join your blade together. Still put it on that step 1.5 again to make sure that you get the texture of the taper fade that you want to give to your client. Then after that, you make use of your step 1. Put it on low cut level by bringing the gel down. You insert it, you flip it up. See how I'm flipping it. Follow it accordingly. Please don't rush it. Remember what I told you guys, that whenever you are cutting anybody's hair, be it small kid or an adult, take your time. Follow it accordingly. After you have raised it or finished, you turn your hand downward. You blend it down. Please, if you are learning something from this video, share this video, give us a thumbs up, comment and follow, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. So you bring it down, see the way I'm doing it. Make sure you take your time. Barbing requires your maximum attention. Do you understand? If you have not been following me on Facebook, it's the same name, High Universal Cut. The same name on YouTube. So after you have gotten the shape that you want, then you put it on what? Skin. Carry the gel up. Use it to detail the side so that everything will get smooth. Do you understand? So after, watch what I'm doing. Can you see that the shape is coming out? Then anything that you did after you have done it up, still bring it down by turning your hand downward to blend it. This is tutorial purpose. That is why I'm making sure that I take my time to do it. So take your time to watch this video. And I don't like, you want to learn something and you are in a haste. You are saying that your data is going and you want to learn something. The person that is doing it, so after that, you do what we call freehand detailing. See the way I'm raking it down. Remember, put it on low cut level. Put it on low cut level when you are doing your freehand blending, as if you are raking the hair down. Put it on low cut level. After you rake it down, finish, you still put it on low cut level. Take it upward to clean anywhere that you see that did not blend very well. Do you understand? That's what we call detailing. You have to take your time. Barbering is very, very sweet. I always say that if you have passion for barbering, within 1 week you will start barbing hair. See, I'm not saying to just make you feel or make your hair swallow. No, I'm telling you the reality. When you dedicate your time, barbering is very, very simple. And for those of you that say I talk too much, please, if my tutorial is boring to you, leave it. There are a lot of thousands, millions of tutorials on YouTube. You can follow and watch. You can't stop me from explaining to people that want to learn. I'm different from others. They are different from me. Their ways of teaching is different. Mine is different. So please stop saying that you talk too much. I'm talking because I want people to understand what I'm doing. So can you see, this is hand detailing, freehand blending. You put it on low cut level. Don't forget all these settings. Once you know all these settings, you are good to go. Once you know when to use your normal blade, skin, step 1, step 2, when to do normal freehand blending, when to know how to do detailing, you are good to go. All these things is what you are going to learn in this channel. You are going to learn a lot. Whenever you want to give someone hairline, make sure you blend the front hair front. Can you see what I'm doing? Make sure you blend the front hair, let it come out, blend it out by using your step 1, put it under low cut level. Can you see? It's looking good. We are not yet done, but it's looking good. So HUC is here to make sure that your passion come to reality. Do you understand? Your passion come to reality. So make sure you share this video. That is my own. Freely I receive to give to you people. Freely you people too are receiving. So I want you to share it freely. It will not cost you anything. Share. It will not cost you anything. I invite others to come and learn. Don't be stingy. This world is too small. Understand? And the internet can contain everybody. Please don't be stingy with the knowledge you are acquiring from somebody that is telling you to share for others. If I'm not sharing this to you, will you be able to acquire it? So share to others. I love you guys. This is HUC, High Universal Code. Make sure you're following me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn your notification bell on so that anytime I post, you'll be notified that HUC, High Universal Code, has posted. Please. And follow me on Facebook. It's the same name. My TikTok is the same name. Go and follow me because sometimes I do give some tips that will help you. That's why those that are following me on TikTok, Facebook, they also come and watch the full video here on YouTube. And if you are following only on me on this thing on YouTube, go and follow me on TikTok and Facebook. Please, can you see what I'm doing? All this one you have known it already. I've told you all these ones. When you want to carve your hair, you put it on what? Skin. All this thing that I'm doing now is just final detailing, like miscellaneous. Make sure you take your time to look for anywhere that you see that did not blend very well. You blend it very well. That is what Barber is all about. This world, nobody knows it all. We learn every day. I love you guys. Share, please. Like and join my membership pack to support me. If you know that support